How to fill out a PDF on iPhone. To get started, open up the Files app located on the home screen on your phone. From here, navigate to the folder location where your PDF is located and tap on it to open. Once the file is open, tap on the markup icon at the bottom right, which looks like the tip of a pen inside a circle. At the very top a toolbar appears. From there tap on the icon that looks like a text field, which is the rectangle with dots, with a pen or stylus. After that, a plus button appears on the bottom right corner. Tap the plus sign and select Add Text Form box. A text box will appear on your document. You can then drag it to the desired location. Tap the box to bring up the keyboard and type your text. After you've entered the text, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily fill out a PDF on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.